Let's clarify. You likely have a Rogers Ignite modem, not a Rogers Xfinity modem. Rogers uses its own Ignite modems. Restarting or power cycling your Rogers Ignite modem is a simple yet crucial troubleshooting step. It refreshes the modem's software, clears temporary memory, and reestablishes its connection to Rogers' network. This is your go-to solution for issues like slow internet speeds, dropped connections, or general glitches. Think of it as giving your modem a fresh start. You'll want to restart your modem if you experience any internet connectivity problems after a Rogers service outage, or if Rogers support suggests it as a first step. There are three primary ways to restart your Rogers Ignite modem. First, the power cycle, or manual method. Unplug the modem from the power outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the capacitors to fully discharge. Plug the modem back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. This typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. Second, use the Rogers Ignite app. Log in to the Rogers Ignite app on your smartphone or tablet. Select your modem and tap the Restart Device option. The app requires a stable internet connection from another device. Lastly, you can use the My Rogers web portal. Go to myrogers.com and sign in. Navigate to the Internet or Devices section, select your modem, and choose Reboot. Remember to check for firmware updates through the app or portal before restarting to avoid potential conflicts. If problems persist after a restart, contact Rogers support, as it may indicate a more serious issue.